Zakat. Question 5. Why is your zakat religious text different from the Sharia zakat? Why is it not distributed among the poor and the needy directly? Answer. I have argued at the beginning of this booklet, in the first answer, that there is a difference between Sharia, Tariqat, Haqiqat and Ma'rifat, but that their supreme goal, Maqsadi A'la, is the same. Thus, if a sensible person will observe for a while, he will come to know clearly that the spirit and ultimate purpose of zakat, which should be accomplished in Islam, has continued to exist perfectly in Ismailism. I have said that according to our faith, i.e. Ismailism, the way of zakat is exactly in accordance with the requisite of the Islamic spirit and its ultimate purpose, and none benefit elsewhere as much as the poor and needy and helpless benefit here. The Imam, from one aspect, takes a zakat, and from another aspect, he does not take zakat. Thus, the greatest merit of the zakat system of the Ismailis is that it changes according to the changing circumstances of time. That is to say, that the system adjusts itself according to the requirements of the time. The best way of providing for the needy the benefit of zakat is to make an attempt to eradicate the curse of ignorance and poverty entirely and enrich them with the wealth of knowledge and skill forever, instead of giving them one meal or giving them a pair of clothes or distributing among them some cash or kind. To achieve this goal, the establishment of various institutions of education, health, etc. is a must, and in order to actualize this goal, zakat is collected under the supervision and guidance of the Imam of the time. In this sense, I have said that on one aspect, the Imam takes zakat, while on the other, he does not. That is to say, that the Imam takes zakat from the Jama'at only in the sense that he supervises the above-mentioned system, giving blessings and approves and gives guidance regarding the expenses in establishing and running the community institutions. The philosophy of unanimity, harmony, and unity is such that the strength of zakat should be guarded from being scattered. It should be collected in one place and should be used according to the guidance of the true guide. In earlier times, those virtuous deeds which were preferred were necessary according to that time. For instance, to purchase male and female slaves and set them free, to feed and clothe orphans, the poor and the needy. Now the greatest reward lies in enriching the needy with the eternal wealth of knowledge and skill, and establishing institutions for religious and worldly prosperity and welfare, so that it will increase the progress and prosperity of the country and the nation and strengthen and help the universal spirit of Islam. The Imam employs zakat according to this object of Islam.